A river flowed through a barren land. Every thirsty traveler, every hungry animal drank from it. One day, someone tried to dam it for himself. The river found another path, still bringing life to the land. Ahlul Bayt lesson. Mercy cannot be contained. True love and guidance, like the household's legacy, always finds a way.